What's happening, everybody? Got another reset for you today. Today we're doing the BLU Bold N3. Really cool phone, pretty durable, but if you have one of these and you have a password or pattern that you forgot, we'll show you how to reset. And also, if you guys aren't following us yet, just a heads up, we got a ton of stuff coming up for hard resets and teardowns. So if you want to see more, just give us a follow. We'd appreciate that. Otherwise, let's get into this. As always, just remember, when you guys do a hard reset, you will delete all the data off the phone. So be mindful of that. When you're doing that, you will delete everything. So just know that. With the phone turned off, in this case, I already have the phone turned off. We want the phone to be turned off. We're going to hold the volume up and power at the same time. And I'll do it from this angle so you guys can see it. I usually like to hold the volume up first, then hit power. It should bring us to this reset menu, and then it's volume up is to select, and then volume down is enter. So we'll go to recovery, then press volume down. Then I'll take a second to get to the no command screen, and then from there we should be able to do the reset. Oh, no command screen at all. So from here, we can just use the volume buttons to scroll and the power button for enter. So we'll scroll down to wipe data factory reset, hit enter, hit the power button, then confirm. It'll delete the data. And once it's done, we can either reboot or power off. In this case, we're going to reboot. And that's it. And it'll get you on the welcome screen, and then you can navigate to the home screen. If you guys have any questions or comments, just feel free to let us know. Once again, if you want to see something special, just drop a comment. We'll try to get that up for you sooner than later. And thanks for watching. Until next time.